nothing. And my hair is too, it's too, what do you call that, malagkit? It's stinky. I don't know what this in English. It's so hot here in my room, guys. My goodness, it's so hot here in the Philippines. Mr. Irish Busti Ho. White panty. Did you see my panty really? It's not panty, it's short. I have short, guys. Bakit tayo dyan? What is this? What is your favorite color of panty? When it comes to panty, I like, black and what? The skin tone color. But my favorite color is black and white and yellow. Fabio Danielle, hello, good morning. Oh my gosh, it's a banana. I love eating banana also, guys. Especially the raw banana. Just kidding. Tigu Pranoto, hello guys, thank you. Which color panty now you are wearing? I forgot if I have panty now or no, because sometimes I do not wear panty, especially when I'm home. I just wear panty short. Why are you laughing, Mr. Louise? When I say I'm not wearing panty, just wearing panty short because we have to relax our pipay. It's not good that it can she can breathe. So just sometimes we have to relax our chururot. Just check now, tell me color. No, I don't have. Just a short directly because I'm sleeping. I want to relax. So I don't have panty now. Tomorrow, I'm gonna wear. Yes! Especially the boys. You boys, sometimes you're not wearing brief. You're just wearing the, what do you call that? Is it boxer short? So it's same as girls. See, you agree with me, Mr. Luis. Sim sick. Oh my gosh! And thank you for the rose. Where are you from? Are you from? Are you from the planet Mars? Ay, nako, hello. Guys, did you see my Kelly Kelly? It's it's black. My other Kelly Kelly has pimples and it's so I know so painful. Maybe it's because of the hot weather, my goodness.